IT related videos, design software related videos, technical videos we are uploading my channel. Just subscribe Infinity Gainer. Today we are see this is error, clock error. This how to comes when I try to open AutoCAD, this is comes error for the time date and time issue. Okay, exact time date it is working good fine, but it is not working mean your date and system or laptop date and time issue. Okay, go and check time and date, or you facing permanently issue, you change CMOS battery also. You can't change here for the time and date and time. Sign out and log in your administrator account in your laptop or desktop. You have change that place, you go and change in version your when your problem face low, that place go and change the date and time. If you not able to change that user, come to log in your administrator or admin account. Okay, that place you go and time and date you can change now here. Okay, set automatically time, or you have change in manually for exact time and date. You two options is there. Windows update Windows up to time, you sync your click, it is going worldwide clock for your region based, it is come live time. Or manually you want change here, you change your exact time. See this, and now it is 10 minutes. It's fast, so this is error comes. I am set at here manually in current time. Now I am here. Now this is now set automatically is put it on. So it is when you net connector or computer or for turn on at the time, it is going to live time. Now log in your AutoCAD user, just sign out and sign in. That you are already using account name. Go and check also user's place. Here comes your now you go and check your account in AutoCAD, it is working or not. Now it is working. I am new diagram once open and check to here. Yes, it is working. Subscribe Infinity Gainer. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching. Day by day we upload technical videos.